Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to maximize battery life of your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, what we can do is to open settings and then go to the Wi-Fi tab, because the Wi-Fi is one of the main reasons of draining the battery. So here, to disable the Wi-Fi, we would need to simply click on this slider until it will turn gray. Next step that we can do is to disable the always on display, because this one is also really hard on the battery. For that, we would need to go to the tab which is named Display and Brightness. Go in there, scroll down, and here on the tab Always On, click on the slider to disable it. Next step that we can do is to also reduce the brightness. As you can see, currently I'm on maximum, and by clicking on it we can reduce it. For example, by clicking on the sun, or we can do it with the help of Digital Crown. Next step that we can do is to use minimalistic watch faces without animations. So to see all of the current watch faces that you can set on your watch, hold your finger on your current watch face and then swipe to the left. Here, as you can see, we got only one, then we click new, and here just choose the watch faces which are one color without a lot of animations. For example, this one. Let's click add and then click on the Digital Crown. And this is it. So next thing that we can do, that's to reduce the motions. For that, we would need to go to the settings again, then go back to the main list and scroll until you'll find this tab Accessibility. Click on it, and here we would need to find this tab which is named Reduce Animations. Reduce motions. Here is it. By clicking on it, we can enable it and all of the animations on your watch will disappear. So next thing that we can do here, that's to disable background app refresh. So for that, we would need to scroll up and go to the tab General. Then scroll down until you'll find the background app refresh, click on it and disable it, because this setting is refreshing and updating the applications you may even don't need, but it still takes the battery. So next step that we can try, that's to disable the raise to wake. For that, we would need to go back again and move to the tab Display and Brightness. Here is it. Click on it, then scroll down again, and here disable the wake on wrist raise, because the watch is tracking your wrist motions, which is also taking the battery percentage away. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.